Hello there. I'm bubbling with excitement right now because I have a very important information I would like to share with you. We just struck a deal. Yes, you heard me right. Property Mayor just struck a deal with the Boing Luxury Estates Limited Group. The beautiful thing is that this deal is designed to benefit you. And this deal took us over 2 months to negotiate with the Boeing Group before they eventually gave us their go ahead. If you genuinely want to own a plot of land at the right price without the fear of being scammed, pay close attention. I repeat, if you genuinely want to own a plot of land at the right price without the fear of being scammed, pay close attention. Now, here's the deal. This deal comes in two phases, phase one and phase two. On every phase, it is designed for you to benefit, but you must complete phase one for you to get to phase two. There's a green button attached at the bottom of this video, and it is titled I need the 2.5% discount. All you need to do is to click on that button, fill the form for site inspection, and submit it. The moment you submit it, you are entitled to additional 2.5% discount for, for any property you intend to buy. It is that simple. There's nothing more you need to do. Once you get that done, you move to phase two. But I must tell you, you need to get this done within 14 days. After 14 days, the deal is off. Now, let me explain how this works. Let's assume you want to buy a plot of land at Lakeview Estate, which is behind Uniport. Lakeview's present value is 6 million naira. It is being offered by the Boeing Group at 25% discount. 25% of 6 million naira gives you 1.5 million naira. If you take away 1.5 million naira from 6 million, you will have a balance of 4.5 million naira. Now, this is where the 2.5% discount comes in. Based on the fact that you have filled the form that we talked about earlier for site inspection, you are entitled to additional 2.5% discount off the 4.5 million naira you are supposed to pay. And 2.5% of 4.5 million naira will give you 112,500 naira. If you deduct that from 4.5 million naira, you will have 4,387,500 naira. You might be asking, what does this mean? It simply means one thing. It means that instead of paying 4.5 million naira, you'll now be paying 4,387,500 naira. It's that simple. And once you've gotten to this phase, you move to phase two. Remember, for you to have this additional discount, you must click the green button with the title, I need the 2.5% discount, submit it within 14 days, and go for inspection. It is that simple. There's nothing else you need to do. Once you've done that, that will now take you to phase two. And I can assure you, phase two talks about additional benefits for you. And I can assure you, you will love it also. If you are still having doubts if this offer is legit or not, I think it's better to hear from Mr. Oye Martins, who is the GMD of the Boeing Group, and he will be in a better position to tell you if this offer is legit or not. See you on the other side.